Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. Got an awesome walk around video for you guys today. Hey, today's gonna be quick. I'm trying to beat a storm. Guys, this thing just got detailed. I've got like a 30-minute window to get to it. So I'm just gonna hit it and get it, guys. All right, if it starts to rain, I'll keep going, but I wanna try to show you this thing before it gets wet and nasty. Guys, this thing is a 2005 Ford Excursion, 6-liter Powerstroke diesel. Guys, this one's an Eddie Bauer, so it's an 05 Eddie two-tone, which is a rare combination. So if you've been out there looking for them, you know you find the limiteds more frequently than you do the Eddies. You find the single tone pretty frequently, but so it's an 05 two-tone Eddie Bauer. It has zero rust. It is completely stock in every capacity, every way. It's mechanically stock. It's as it came from the factory. It's a 3-owner. The previous owner was an elderly couple. They owned it for 13 years. They've had it since 2012. They had it serviced. They took great care of it. It's had plenty of maintenance done to it. It's got new injectors at some point in its history. It's had the EGR replaced. It's had the Driveshaft replaced. So they maintained it. Throughout the years. But guys, it's in immaculate condition. Check out the pictures for sure if you haven't already. Again, I'm gonna try to be quick, but show you everything. Quick but thorough is gonna be the goal here. Again, this is an Eddie Bauer, right? And it's an 05, so that gets you the two-tone. My favorite interior is the 05 Eddie Bauer because the seats are tan and black, as well as the dash are tan and black. So it really has a great match, very cohesive, but everything works, guys. This is in great shape, no cracks in the windshield, no rust. Everything works, windows work, door locks work, mirrors work. It runs good, it drives good, it shifts good. It has 199,000 miles on it. Oh, it does have an aftermarket head unit, but mechanically, everything is stock. You can see the window is perfect, no cracks or anything. No tears in the seat. Seats are power. You can see they were just moving, they work. It's got this catch-all aftermarket carpet here, or floor mat. Carpets are in clean shape. And again, guys, you can see no rust. This truck comes out of Oregon. So up there in the Pacific Northwest, there is low to no humidity and no salt on the roads. So it preserves the vehicles. Paints are in great shape up there. And then the underside looks better than they do down here in Texas. Absolutely phenomenal condition. Down here in Texas, we don't have salt on the roads, but we do have humidity. So that does lead to some corrosion that can form on the frame, as well as the sun is so powerful, it can bake the paint. So the Pacific Northwest is actually a beautiful area to buy vehicles from because they're very well preserved up there. Second row looks like it was never sat in. Leather is soft. I was told it was garage kept for the past 13 years. Third row seat, of course, and the headliner is super clean. Again, this thing is all original paint, all original in basically every which way, and you can tell it looks like it's been garage kept. This thing is in phenomenal condition, especially the roof. No rust in the doors like I was showing, no rust in the rockers. Tires are all great. These are an all-terrain open range tire. Not sure the brand. I guess all-terrain. I don't even know the brand, to be honest. But they're an all-terrain tire. Great tread depth left. These are no dry rot. Great tread left. Again, no rust anywhere. Kind of doing the interior right now, but then I'll close the doors and show you the exterior. It does have a WeatherTech mat in the back. Super clean carpets underneath that WeatherTech. It does have your spare tire. Sorry I'm going so fast, guys, but some of y'all might be happy about me going fast. My videos can be long sometimes. Oh, it's about to start raining. The wind is blowing. Both of these doors open, as you can tell. Everything is it's in really great shape, guys. Tow package, of course. You got a cold front blowing in, so at least it feels nice. Again, second row seats are good. Carpets are clean. Guys, this one is really immaculate. So you know us here at Success Motors, we try to sell only the nicest of the nice, and we know what to look for with these Excursions. Guys, this one is very, very nice. No rust anywhere. Second row seat, or a passenger seat. You can see it works. Great condition, no rips, no tears, no tears or rips anywhere in the upholstery on the inside. No cracks in the dash, like I said, and no cracks in the windshield. Everything is good and clean. Stacks of receipts in here, guys. I haven't gone through these, but stacks of receipts for this Excursion. Again, I haven't gone through it. Maybe I'll go through them here in a minute, and I'll list what those are in the description. Really nice rig. Show you under here. Again, everything is OEM. So it's, of course, had maintenance done along the way. The EGR has been replaced. I believe it's had injectors. It's got a new drive shaft, but everything was just replaced with OEM, is my understanding. Never tuned, never towed with. This was a legit grandkid hauler vehicle. Grandbabies grew up and they sold it. Let me walk around from a distance with everything closed, and then I'll get up close to it. But you can see, guys, this is we didn't do a paint correction or a polish or nothing. We just washed it. This paint is really phenomenal. Headlights look phenomenal. Tires are good. Guys, this is a buy today, drive today type of rig. If you have any questions, call me 979-202-1948. All right, let me show you just a little bit closer condition perspective. I mean, again, paint speaks for itself. Starting to get a couple of raindrops on it, unfortunately. Literally was just detailed. But the paint is like a darn 9.5 out of 10. Of course, I'm sure it's gonna have a few rock chips and whatnot. It's still a 20-year-old vehicle. Don't expect a brand new vehicle, but it is very nice. A little bit of like a scuff right there. Does have a door ding right there. But again, overall paint is very reflective. No fade or flake in the clear coat. No oxidation. Couple little scratches in the cladding. Couple little dings, but nothing crazy. Guys, if you want to buy this thing, you can do so. If you're out of state, we can handle the transaction electronically and have this delivered to you no matter where you are in the country. It's pretty reasonable to do that. It's probably less than 1,500 bucks no matter where you are. Again, you can see all the tires are phenomenal. And again, no rust or anything. No leaks that I'm aware of. It doesn't leave any oil on the concrete beneath it. No oxidation here, which again is a tattletale if it spent some time outside. Parking sensors. And again, you can see that puppy is the Eddie Bauer. Paint looks great, guys. Again, 9.5 or so out of 10 from a paint condition. Couple little dings is all we've seen. Maybe a few fine scratches, but really very clean on the exterior. Door ding right there. We'll drive it here in just a minute. And then hopefully I'm gonna get this thing parked inside before the rain starts. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. We're out here hustling, trying to get you guys some good content, especially if you're interested in excursions. Hopefully y'all can tell just how nice this thing is, guys. The paint is phenomenal. This is absolutely one of the upper echelon of Ford Excursions. And you've been looking for them for any length of time, you know to find a nice Excursion is a challenge. A good history, rust-free, mechanically sound, nice Excursion is a real challenge these days. So this one has been nice, sourced right from the previous owner who had it for 13 years. Really sharp rig. All right. We got 2 sets of keys and 2 key fobs. Not a cold start. This was driven today. $199,333.2 miles. Again, aftermarket stereo, AC blows cold. No check engine lights, no none of that. And again, 199,333.2 miles, no ABS light, no check engine lights. All your windows work. Locks work. Radio's working. AC's blowing cold. Front and rear. Mirrors working. Sorry for the break in the video. The GoPro just turned off for some reason, but everything is good. Sitting here idling just like it should. Let me hop out, do a blow-by test on it. You can see it's warm. No blow-by whatsoever. I think we're gonna beat the rain. All right, guys, let me surmise here, and then we'll take this thing for a test drive. Again, AC is blowing cold. I'm actually turning it down right now. All right, 2005 Ford Excursion, Eddie Bauer, 6-liter Powerstroke diesel, 3 owners, all stock mechanically. Of course, it's been maintained well. Previous owner had it for 13 years. Exterior is in phenomenal condition. It appears to be mechanically sound. Tires are great. We're about to drive it. Everything is in working condition. The only aftermarket piece is the head unit. No rust, as you saw underneath, in beautiful condition. Guys, this thing is a good one to buy. Clean title, of course. If you guys have any questions, call me, 979-202-1948. This feels great, very firm. Yeah, so that was perfect. Exactly as you'd want it to be. Fix the mirror here. Let's take this thing for a quick test drive and hopefully avoid the rain. I think we're gonna make it. We made it. Definitely don't want to hit that van. They just got that van. All right, let's take this thing for a quick cruise. Looks like the rain is coming, but hopefully gonna miss us for at least a few minutes. First shift already happened, it was perfect. Second shift just happened, it's perfect. Third shift just perfect. Fourth shift, I believe we're in 4th gear. If you've been watching my videos for any amount of time, you know this road isn't the smoothest. It's a highway, but kind of a backcountry highway. Now we're in 5th gear, running 50 at about 1,500 RPMs. Very smooth ride. No weird sounds or anything like that. No cracks or creaks or squeaks in the interior. No check engine lights or anything like that. So far so good, guys. Absolutely nothing to complain about or gripe about. We're going to keep the video going here for another moment or two. We're going 60. Ooh, there's the rain. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing over and turn it around. Brakes are strong on the brake pedal right now. Steering wheel didn't jerk one direction or the other. Steering wheel feels good. Steering feels good and tight. About to do a nice turning radius check here. Did pretty good. We'll do kind of a hard acceleration here, or not a hard acceleration, but just getting on the highway, and then I'll shut the video down. Guys, if you have any questions at all, give me a call, 979-202-1948. Beautiful Ford Excursion. I don't think you'll have any problems with this rig. Again, if you want to buy this thing, you're welcome to send a mechanic out, you're welcome to come out, or you're welcome to buy it sight unseen. If you need to see any other pictures or videos, of course, let me know. Perfect, guys. All right, well, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon.